St.Theresa Cathedral in Juba, South Sudan. The St.Theresa Cathedral or Cathedral of Juba, is a religious building in the Unity Avenue in Bahr al Jabal, central Equatoria, in the district of Kotor in the town of Juba, capital of the African country of South Sudan. It serves as the seat of the Archbishop of the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Juba, created on December 12, 1974 by Pope Paul VI by bull in Sudania. Its construction began in 1952. During the civil war in southern Sudan, about 5,000 people took refuge in the cathedral in Juba, which was kept for days by violent clashes between rival factions of the National Army. Like us and join us at Xtreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.